Hello po.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning po, Papa Jackson.
Good morning. Alam mo ikaw ang hirap
Sorry
ha.
na.
Kung hindi lang ikaw nakalagay sa deck kung ikaw yung kasunod. Imagine mo mula alas
Alauna ata.
papadala ko yung Gcash ko sa'yo, magbabayad ka ng tuto sa akin.
Sige po.
Madaling kausap to mukhang okay to Anong pangalan po?
Gaya po.
Ano ba yun? Parang ipelikula yung pangalan mo.
Screen name nga po, di ba? Karing.
Wala bang ibang pangalan?
Gaya.
Gaya lang taong ka na.
32.
Parang hindi totoo yung pagkakasabi mo ng 32. Parang hindi ka naniniwala.
Sige, 33 na lang. 32 po.
32. Asa ka ngayon?
Taga-Pasay po talaga ako, but nandito ako ngayon sa Taguig.
Nasa Taguig ka ngayon.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Saka sa Pasay.
Actually, hindi ko alam to. Ngayon lang ako dito.
Hindi, nasa Taguig ka ngayon di ba? Tama ba?
Po.
Tama ba? Nasa Taguig ka ngayon?
Apa.
Pero taga Pasay ka talaga.
Apa.
Saan ka sa Pasay nga? Hello?
Baliktad po. Hindi. Taga-Taguig po ako. Dito po ako ngayon sa Pasay. For the meantime.
Hindi yan sinabi mo sa akin. Ang sabi mo,
Magto 2 weeks na po ako dito.
pakilakas po.
Just moved out for a while.
Pakilakas po.
Ay, po, sorry. Ayan, okay na po.
Nasa Pasay ka ngayon.
Opo, pero tagitaging po ako baliktad, sorry.
Hmm.
Planning on moving po ako dito sa Pasay.
Saan dyan?
Po?
Saan dyan?
Ba't ang hina? Sorry.
Pasay ka lang naman, di ba?
Opo, for 2 weeks po.
Sige. Mahina ba ako?
Sa phone ko po, opo.
Antayin mo ako. Papadala kita ng bagong telepono. Nang bahala.
Pero mag-headset na lang ako para madala. Ayan.
Hindi ba pwede mag-headset kasi hihina sa sa live. Anyways. Si Gaya ay 32 from Pasay. Tama.
Opo.
May asawa ka na?
Wala po.
Wala pa ever or wala?
Wala po, pero may live-in partner po ako.
Gano'ng katagal na kayo magka-live-in?
7 years po.
7 years. Okay. Ba't ka napatawag sa akin?
Actually, hindi po siya really like love problem. I just don't know how to stop. Parang hindi ko po mapigilan yung sarili ko.
I just don't know how to stop. Parang hindi ko mapigilan ang sarili ko.
Apo.
Why? What's the context?
This is, I don't know kung pwede pong sabihin. It's like, sexual kink po, ganun.
You have a sexual kink.
Apo.
Okay. Tell me about your ano ba yan, ate? Ano ba yan? Electric fan ba yan o blower sa salon? Ha?
Hindi po, para po siyang
Ilong mo yan?
Para po siyang po.
Puro hangin eh.
Ay, sorry.
Ilan yung butas ng ilong mo? Dalawa pa ba?
Isa lang po.
Isa.
Dalawa. Isang pares. Isang pares.
Alam mo, ang hirap ka ng tawagan, ang dami pang problema. Okay, sa mga hindi po nakarinig, our caller, si Gaia, sabi niya, I have a sexual kink. Ibig sabihin, well, she considers that she has a sexual practice that's unusual comparing to other practices. Yun lang yun. Okay, that's why she's bothered. Tama ba ako?
Opo, tama
Okay.
po.
So that bothers you. May jowa ka, gano'ng katagal na kayo ng jowa mo?
7 po.
7 years. May anak kayo?
Opo. Wala po.
Wala. Ever. Never kayo nagkaanak.
Never po.
Okay. You're still together or no longer?
Together po and nagkaroon lang kami ng slight issue, ganun.
Okay. Yung sexual kink mo na yan, I mean, that has to do with him? I'm assuming it's a him, no?
Apo, hindi po. I mean, opo, naapektuhan na po yung relationship namin.
Okay. All right. So, I don't know how unusual is that. I mean, you tell me.
Oh, okay. Ano po? Sobrang gusto ko lang pong like, pinapanood po ako ng ibang tao.
You want someone to watch you while you pleasure yourself. Is that what you're saying?
Opo, ganun po.
Like, would that involve another person other than your partner?
Yes po.
Have you done this?
Opo.
And your partner approved of it?
Hindi niya po alam.
Oh, man. The other party involved, babae, lalaki?
Lalaki po.
Did you have sex with that guy?
No po.
What, you hired someone?
Not literal na hire po, but parang random po, random.
How do you meet random guy and say, "Psst, busy ka ba? Panoorin mo nga ako." I mean, sorry. But
Hindi po, from Reddit po yung mostly.
oh, so that's why Reddit is about?
Marami pong mga subreddits na mga ganun po yung mga ano nila, mga contents nila.
Okay. I don't know where to start, but how many times have you done this?
Hindi ko na po mabilang.
Okay. Give me a ballpark figure, like estimate of how many times have you done this?
Maybe 20 plus, 50, I don't know.
Okay, all different guys.
Some of them different, some of them are just the same.
Repeat, no?
Apo.
None of them ever touched you.
None po. None of them.
So what? You check in a hotel, you perform, you pleasure yourself. Anong ginagawa ng lalaki?
Same po sa ginagawa ko na parang they took a video of this, ganyan, and then sinisend sa akin.
Oh, so you do this over the phone?
Opo.
Never met up with anybody?
Never po. Takot po ako. At alam kong parang I'm out of, parang hindi ko po kayang gawin. Parang hanggang dun lang talaga ako.
Well, you are not the first one that I've heard things like this, but maybe this is on a different level now. Hindi ko alam paano. Why are we talking?
Maybe an insight lang po as to like maybe how can I avoid, or I think
I will
know the
not
answer.
ask you to avoid it. I will ask you to be honest to your partner and leave him behind.
Okay po.
Look, it may be unusual, no? But
Mm.
walang pwedeng magturo sa'yo your desires, how you want to be pleasured, how you want to be satisfied. No one can teach you that. Okay? Hindi namin pwedeng sabihin sa iyan. Diba? May mga, siguro naman I've been doing this show for a long time now. 2 decades, kahit nagpapanggap ako 26 lang. I heard people say that one of the sexual king is yung daliri sa paa nila kinakagat. I've heard weird things in my time. Kung yan ang fetish mo, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Right?
Opo.
I remember, I'll tell you a story. One of the very few that I never forgot na yung, she is the wife of a psychologist. And every now and then, her husband would hire another guy to have sex with her. And the psychologist's husband would watch. That's how the guy pleasures himself, watching his wife be with another man. And the wife never enjoyed it. She felt violated every time. And then she called me. Hindi ko alam kung naghiwalay na sila. So if you take your partner for 70 years out of the equation, do whatever you want. We're not going to judge that. It's just that you're cheating your partner.
Thank you po.
You're cheating your partner.
I know.
Yeah. You're gonna break his heart into a million pieces. By the time that you're going to tell him na you've done what you've done, he wouldn't even recognize you.
Actually, dati po, nagtapat na po ako sa kanya na I have this number of body count, ganun. And it shattered him to pieces. And
Well, yung body count mo naman na yun, kung nangyari naman yung before mo siya makilala, kahit ma-shatter pa siya into a million pieces, tapos ang hugis ay hugis niebe, that's none of his business. Kasi buhay mo yung bago mo siya na-meet eh. You cannot control that one eh. But this is different kasi kayo.
Yeah.
When was the last time you did this?
just this week.
Can you walk me through? You go to Reddit. I'm sure you have this, may suki ka na, ano ba tawag doon? Thread ba? Or ano? Anong tawag doon?
Hindi po, parang,
How do you look? I'm sorry. I'm trying to wrap my brains around it. No? How do you look for it?
sa ano po kasi, meron po akong isang, dummy Facebook account. And then, dun po, may mga groups po kasi sa Facebook as well.
May group sa Facebook.
Apa.
May group sa Facebook?
Apa. First is sa Facebook, and then I learned na from mga nakachat ko na din before na meron po din pala sa Reddit, and Reddit is more discreet than Facebook Messenger. Ganun.
Anong group?
I-invite po kita sa rin.
Sorry, we cannot, blew up na lang. We cannot say. May group sa blew up?
Apa.
I've seen weird things in my time, but this one takes the cake. 'Cause And then, okay. Okay, and then you would schedule a video call.
Opo, ganun po.
Asan ang jowa mo pag ginagawa mo to?
Nasa work po or sometimes tulog, ganun.
Even if he's in the house, you do it?
Opo.
Nahihilo ako, te. Really? Like you would be in the bathroom doing it? Parang ganun, is that it?
Sa bahay po meron pong isang vacant na room.
Paano ba nagising siya and hanapin ka niya? Nandun ka, walang panty, anong paliwanag mo?
Well, actually sa bahay, sa bahay po parang gano'n naman po yung setup. Parang ay pag nasa bahay lang nakapambahay din or pantulog ganyan. And wala naman po sa extent na like walang damit or ganyan. Parang no underwear, ganyan. Pero just wearing mga madaling isuot at madaling tanggalin, gano'n.
Okay. Well, anyways, I don't want to judge you. Okay, ganito. I've, yung mga fetish ng tao, that existed for thousands of years already. Mas palasak lang ngayon because there's a way for people with the same fetish to connect. But that existed for many years now, for millennia now. So who are we to judge you? But then again, the only bad part of this story is that you have a partner. You have a partner that deserves your decency. If you cannot give that to yourself, then maybe you can let him go. Sabi dito, make yourself busy. I don't know. No? She will come into terms with that balang araw. Maybe not yet. Desires are desires. Maybe I'm the wrong person to give you advice here because if I tell you, ganito na mga kaibigan. Let's try. Hello? Are you there?
Papa,
Okay.
dito ba pa?
Gaya, no? Imagine natin, I'll become idealistic here at sabihin ko sa kanya, wag mo nang gawin yan. Hindi kadiri yak, ew. Truth is, she'll still do it. Do you earn from this or no? Just pure pleasure?
No, I don't. I have a job.
Yeah.
I'm a financial consultant po.
Do you show your face when you do it?
No.
So it's just the body part.
Apo.
Okay. I'll stop right there. Okay na yan. When do you plan to break up with him?
I'm not planning to. Gusto ko lang pong like
No, you have-
makontain ko yung ginagawa ko.
Ano na?
Gusto ko pong makontain yung ginagawa ko na ayoko na po sana siyang gawin. But
Well,
I
ganito.
don't know.
If you say kasi na ayaw mo nang gawin, hindi mo na kailangan advice ko. You just stop. Raise your dummy account. Stop doing it, di ba? Hindi ko lang kung may account ba sa Reddit. Burahin mo yan. But, here's the but. Ready? Even
Okay.
if you stop right now, you are still obligated to tell your partner. You cannot skip that part. He has to know. He deserves that. You owe that. You owe that to him. You owe that to him. Okay. Let's try to start over again. What do you want to ask me?
Siguro po gusto ko lang din ng may mapagsabihan kasi I don't tell anyone, of course, sa mga ginawa ko. And sometimes
Humihina ka.
it's really kind of really heavy. Ganun. And because of the secrets that I have na hindi ko sinasabi.
Ganito. Let me ask an impossible question. If I tell you tonight to stop it, would you stop it?
I will try po. Can't say.
Hello? Narinig mo ako?
Apo. I will try po. I can't say na like abrupt.
Yan. Are you there? Hello?
Yes po, andito pa po ako. Sorry.
Okay. Oo.
Hello?
Yan. I'm sorry.
Narinig po ako.
Yeah. I hear you.
Sorry.
Anyways. Well, thank you.
Thank you din po.
Maraming salamat sa... Teka lang. I wonder where the sound is coming from. Trying to figure it out. Ayan. Sorry. Anyways. Well, siguro sa puntong ito, Gaya, I can just wish you na sana you come to your senses. You outgrow this. Sana. That's what I wish for you.
And we're engaged na po, kaya I really want...
No, you have to tell him. Feeling ko, yung relationship yung dalawa, it's over. Look, you cannot live a double life and then lure him into marrying you. Hindi pa pwede yun. You cannot do that. You cannot lure him into marrying you and expect that. Ako may point? Na kaya mo itago to all your life. So you have to tell him. When do you plan to tell him?
Pagbalik ko po. Tagig.
Ba't ka nga pala nandyan ngayon?
Just wanted to, parang, kasi there was a time na nasa-sense ko na po na nagdududa siya, ganyan, kasi may mga nakikita siyang notifications sa phone ko. And that started an argument, and for a while, umalis muna ako kasi
So he doesn't trust you anymore.
parang ganun po.
And then, umalis ka pa. So, lalong, di ba?
Apo.
Well, I hope you get better soon. But you have to tell him. There's no getting rid of that part. There's no avoiding that. You have to tell him. And you have to start over again.
Opo. Minsan mamanyak feeling ko, hindi ako to.
Ikaw yan.
No.
Ikaw yan. Ikaw yan. Huwag mo sabihin na hindi ikaw yan. We are way over, we are past the point of denial. Would you forgive me for this?
Opo. Handa po ako kasi tumawag po ako
No.
ngayon.
I just want to ask forgiveness because I have so little to offer you.
Opo.
A part of me understands you. Honestly. A part of me naaawa ko sa'yo. A part of me does not believe that if I tell you to stop today, you'll stop. But most of all, nas naawa ko sa jowa mo. He cannot go ahead, proceed, and marry someone he thought he knew, but did not. That wouldn't be fair para sa kanya. You've been together for how long now?
7 po.
7 years. At what part, anong taon ng relasyon ninyo, pang ilang taon, nung una mong ginawa ito?
2 years ago.
So you just started after 5 years of being with him. Tama?
Opo.
Can you tell me, bakit ka nauwi sa ganito, ma'am? You're not satisfied with him? That you had to ask another man to watch you online to pleasure yourself?
Nung mga una po, opo, kasi he's more of, parang, gamer po kasi siya. Parang wala po siya madalas time pag uwi ng bahay. Naglalaro lang po, ganyan, and then, wala, tulog after, ganun, and then, there was a time na magkasama kami na, kasi po we're living together for 6 years na po. There was a time na, yung nangyayari po sa amin sexually is parang once every 5 months, one every 6 months, ganyan po.
So, ibig sabihin, you have desires that you thought he would address pero hindi niya ginagawa.
Opo.
Why don't you tell him that gusto ko maglambingan tayo. I need this. Kasi nasa isang bubong kayo eh. Hindi, it's not weird to ask him. You do not?
I'm very open po. Like, palagi po namin pinag-uusapan yun na ganito, gusto kong gawin mo sa akin to, ganito, ganyan. At first, parang okay po yung usapan namin. Sige, try natin, ganyan. Yung mag-explore baga, ganyan. And, wala naman. Walang nangyayari. Parang walang result, ganun. Walang nangyayari. Hindi lang, like, 5 times, 10 times namin napag-usapan yung about sa aspect na yan.
Well,
And
Go ahead, ma'am.
And ano po, parang in-explain din naman niya kasi sa akin na hindi nga daw kasi siya mahilig. Ganun, parang ganyan.
Well,
Pero recent,
Go ahead.
nung nandun po ako, parang naka-discover din po siya ng ng sarili niyang, yung way of like pleasuring me, ganun. And yun po nung somehow nagpagising sa akin na, wait lang po, kaya niya palang gawin yun. Why?
Ano naman yung version niya of satisfying himself?
Ano po, bumili po siya ng mga, parang 50 shades, ganyan.
Bumili siya ng?
Yung mga accessories po na yung parang BDSM, ganyan.
Sorry,
Pero hindi naman niya ako sinasaktan.
Oh, parang 50 Shades of Grey.
Opo, ganyan.
So, ginagamit niya sa'yo?
Opo, tinry po namin and then it worked out and then parang mag-1 month na okay siya. Parang siya pa yung nagyayaya sa akin. That's why po na parang naano po ako, parang nasa konsensya part na po ako na ginawa ko yun.
Well, I'm sorry, hindi ako well-versed dito, but I think we can both safely say that you don't jive when it comes to your sexual activities. Tama ba ako?
Opo, ganun.
Oh, well, naghiwalay na lang talaga kayo. Ngayon, pwede sabihin na marami na, sex lang naman yun. No, it matters in the long run. You have to be aligned. And the fact that ngayon palang problema yan, and the fact that, look, he does not know that you've done what you've done. Tama?
Opo.
He has to know. At alam mo na, iiwanan ka niya. Alam mo yan, sure yan.
Opo.
Well, good luck to you, ma'am. I hope the pain that's going to cause you this one is enough for you to change your ways. Alright?
Opo. Parang nasa, kumbaga, pinag-isipan ko na po and then nandun na po ako sa part na kailangan kong i-accept yung consequences na ginawa ko.
And you have to apologize to him.
Opo.
Harapan ako. Well, we can all agree that sexual compatibility is a big deal. Especially with someone like you who has more needs than the usual. Alam mo, kaya natitigilan ako. Ang dami nang judge sa'yo sa
Opo, nanonood po ako. Nababasa ko.
sa TikTok, no? Ganito, mag-usap nga tayo. You also have meron kayong mga weird na ginagawa. Not all of you maybe, but you have this weird kinks. I'm sure, meron yan. Imposibleng wala kayo at pag kinanta mo sa iba, baka magulat din sila. Maybe, etong kay Gaya, this is way over the top. And it's bothering her. And it is not only nasa borderline ng cheating. This is cheating talaga. That's why it matters na kailan niya sabihin. Meron kayo lahat niyan, tigilan niyo. We are all weird in our own unique ways. Huwag tayo magmamalinis na, di ba? I mean, did I make sense? Kanya yan, di ba? If it happens, di ba? in the confines of your in the four corners of your bedroom at kayo lang ng mister mo, hindi niyo problema 'yun. Siya kasi iba. The problem with Gaia is lumabas siya dun sa exclusivity ng relasyon nila. That's why it becomes a problem. So, lahat kayo meron yan. Lahat tayo meron yan. Well, I wish you all the best.
Thank you po.
No judgment, but I just wish you all the best. Gaia, thank you very much. I would love to hear from you when you've told him.
Opo.
PM ako sa fan
Sure
page. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not weirded out. I wasn't weirded out sa iyo. Para sa ikagiginhawa ng kalooban mo.
Thank you po, Papa Jackson.
Good morning, ma'am.
You too have a good day.